Hi, Freedom. Hi, Freedom. What you doing? Are you a pretty bird? Hi, Freedom. Hi, beautiful bird. Freedom, what do you do when you see a pretty bird? Can you do your whistle? You don't feel like whistling? It's okay. Oh, here's a bird. Let me see what that is. Is it a blue jay? Or a mock? I know. Is it a mockingbird? Let me see. All right, Freedom. I do not see. Oh, there he goes. Let me see. Oh, there he is. There he is. All right, let me see if I can see him. Hang on. Could be a mockingbird. Let me see. I see him. Here's the bird. Hold on. Let me see. Oh, he's blurry. Oh, it might be. I mean, it could be just a grackle. Grackles are important. Oh, look at all the birdies. All right, Freedom. Okay, we're signing off live with Freedom the Parrot at Lake Lorri. Have a great day.